Good morning, students. Let me explain some word problems from linear inequality. A solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature in degree Celsius if the formula for the conversion is given by F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32? Now, as per question, it is given in the question that degree F lies between 68 and 77. So, we can write 68 degree less than F less than 77. Now, we have to convert this F into C. It is mentioned in the question that F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Putting this value of F in the solution and simplifying this inequations, we are getting here what C lies between 20 degree and 20 and 25 degree. So therefore we can say the range of the temperature in degrees Celsius is between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degree Celsius. Now see the next question, that is one of the important question of the miscellaneous exercise. A manufacturer has 600 liters of 12% solution of acid. How many liters of 30% acid must be added to it so that the acid content in the mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%? Now initially in the question it is given that the 600 mixture has 12% solution of acid. Therefore, we can write acid in the given mixture is equal to 12 by 100 into 600. It means this is equal to 72 liter. It means in the given mixture we are having 72 liters of acid. Now here, let us suppose let x liter of 30% acid be added. Then acid to be added 30 by 100 into x, so it must be equal to 3x by 10 liter. Now here when we are adding this acid to the given mixture, then the total mixture become 600 plus x liter and total acid becomes 72 plus 3x by 10 liter. Now here therefore the acid content in the mixture is equal to acid upon total mixture into 100. So it becomes 72 plus 3x by 10 upon 600 plus x into 100. Now it is mentioned in the question this concentration of the acid in the solution must lies between 15% and 18%. Now just writing it and simplifying it by cross multiplication, it becomes 15 into 600 plus x less than, simplifying these two terms we are getting 7200 plus 30x less than 18 into 600 plus x. Simplifying we are getting this inequation by taking first two terms we are getting here x greater than 120. Taking last two terms we are and simplifying we are getting x less than 300. Therefore the acid content will be more than 120 liter and less than 300 liter. Now the similar question is here again. How many liters of water will be added to 1125 liter of 45% solution of acid so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid content? Now again in the question it is given in the given mixture we are having 45% solution of acid. Therefore acid content in the given mixture is equal to 45 by 100 into 1125. Simplifying we are getting acid in the mixture is 2025 by 4 liter. Now suppose x liter of water be added, because it is mentioned in the question we have to add water in the given mixture so that its concentration is reducing. Now let x liter of water be added. Therefore the acid content in the mixture, because we are adding only water, as the quantity of acid in the total mixture will remain the same. Therefore, acid content in the mixture after adding x liter of water is equal to 2025 by 4 upon 1125 plus x into 100. Now again this concentration of acid now lying between what? 25% and more than 25% but less than 30%. So, therefore we can write this quantity must lying between 25 and 30. Simplifying and cross multiplying we are getting these in equation, then simplifying this, then solving again. First two we are getting 25 less than 50625 minus 28125 equal to 22500. This implies x less than 900. And solving last two in equation we are getting 30x greater than 16875. Simplifying we are getting x greater than 562.5. Therefore we must add water which is more than 5625.5 liter and less than 900 liter. Now the question is here, IQ of a person is given by IQ equal to MA means mental age upon chronicle age into 100, where MA is the mental age and CA is the chronological age. If IQ lies between 80 to 140 for a group of 12 years old children, find the range of their mental age. Now it is given that IQ lies between what? 80 to 140, and the formula for IQ is what? MA upon CA into 100. Simplifying again, now the age, chronological age it is given in the question is 12 years and we have to find out the range of mental age. Putting CA equal to 12 here, then cross multiplying we are getting 80 into 100 less than equal to MA into 100 less than equal to 140 into 12. Simplifying we are getting here mental age must lying between 9.6 to 16.8. Therefore the mental age is greater than 9.6 year, greater than or equal to 9.6 year, less than or equal to 16.8 years. So this is about the words problem from the miscellaneous exercise of this very unit. Now in the homework you have to complete linear inequality.